Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix security delay in progress in an iOS device. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go to settings, general, and a software update, and make sure you're using the latest software. If not, update your software. The next thing that you can do is you can go back and then you have to go to screen time. Let me search where screen time is. Just give me a second. Yeah, here it is. So when you go there, you can go to content and privacy restrictions and turn it off. After you turn it off, you can go back and then you can go down and general, and then you can click on VPN and device management, and you can make sure you've turned your VPN off. And the next thing that you can do is you can go down to transfer and reset iPhone and click on reset iPhone and make sure that you have reset the network settings as well. So this will sort your problem out. So I hope this video was informative. I'll see you in the next one.